Relationships are like plants. They need care, attention, and love to grow. But sometimes, without realizing it, we do things that slowly damage them. Here are 8 behaviors that can destroy relationships. If you see these in your life, it's time to make a change. Number 1. Lack of communication. A relationship without communication is like a car without fuel. It won't go far. When you don't talk about your feelings, small problems become big ones. Your partner is not a mind reader, so if something bothers you, express it calmly. Listening is just as important as speaking. If you only talk but don't listen, misunderstandings will keep growing. Open and honest conversations strengthen relationships, while silence weakens them. Number 2. Constant criticism. Nobody likes to feel like they're never good enough. If you always point out what's wrong, your partner will start to feel unappreciated. Instead of focusing on their flaws, try to recognize their strengths. Words have power. They can either build someone up or tear them down. A healthy relationship is about supporting each other, not tearing each other apart. If something bothers you, talk about it kindly instead of attacking their character. Number 3. Dishonesty. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship. When you lie, even about small things, it plants seeds of doubt. Over time, those seeds grow into suspicion and insecurity. If your partner can't trust your words, they'll start questioning everything. Being honest, even when it's difficult, shows respect and strengthens your bond. Lies may give temporary peace, but they always lead to bigger problems later. Number 4. Taking each other for granted. In the beginning, everything feels exciting, but over time, we often stop appreciating our partner. When love becomes routine, small acts of kindness disappear. A simple "thank you" or "I appreciate you" can go a long way. If you don't value your partner, they may start feeling unimportant. Don't wait until they're gone to realize their worth. Appreciate them while they're still there. Number 5. Holding grudges. No one is perfect and mistakes happen. But if you keep bringing up the past, your relationship will never move forward. Holding grudges is like carrying a heavy backpack. It only makes the journey harder. Forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting, but it does mean letting go of the pain. Talk about the problem, find a solution, and then move on. A relationship full of resentment cannot grow. Number 6. Controlling behavior. A healthy relationship is about trust, not control. If you're always checking their phone, deciding who they can talk to, or making all the decisions, that's not love, it's control. True love respects freedom and individuality. Instead of controlling your partner, focus on building trust. The more you try to control, the more they'll want to pull away. Number 7. Lack of effort. Love isn't just about feelings, it's about actions. When one person stops trying, the relationship slowly dies. A simple message, a small surprise, or even asking about their day can make a difference. If you don't put in the effort, your partner will start feeling unimportant. A strong relationship needs daily care, just like a plant needs water. Number 8. Disrespecting boundaries. Every person has limits, and a healthy relationship respects them. If you constantly push past what makes your partner uncomfortable, they will feel unsafe. Boundaries are not walls, they're guidelines for respect. Ignoring them shows a lack of care. A strong relationship is built on trust, understanding, and mutual respect. A strong relationship takes love, trust, and effort, but avoiding these toxic behaviors can help your relationship grow healthier and happier.